welcome to your wonderful Wednesday shave of the day. Hey, Eric here with Adventures in Wet Shaving, and welcome back. It's good to see you. If you're interested in learning how to straight razor shave and all things straight razor related, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then click the bell next to it to be notified when I upload videos. That way you won't miss a thing. And if you want to support this channel, consider hitting that join button. My one word is heart, and I put my heart into everything I do. And I believe every time you shave with a straight razor, you're going to have a better shave. In this shave, I am using my Thiers, and this is the Bison. It is just beautiful. This is Faux Turtle. That is a full hollow, and it is a marvelous razor. Yes, it is. Now, for my soap tonight, here we go. We're going with the Hagen Premium Shave Set. Now this has got everything in it. It has got the soap, it has got a bowl for that soap, and a brush. Now, that can be had on the cheap, okay? I have had that blooming. We're gonna pour off that bloom water, just like normal, and putting that on as a pre-shave. Yep. Now that is a ceramic bowl, and the scent on this soap is clean and fresh. It's just really nice. I personally like it. And that brush is Boar, okay? It's dyed to look like it is Badger, but that's a Boar brush and works great. I've had this one for a long time and does a fine job. We'll go ahead and get that loaded up. Yeah. So we made it to the midweek shave, the wonderful Wednesday shave of the day, hump day. Hopefully you are having a wonderful week. Yeah. You're in high spirits. The world's treating you good. Getting some good shaves, I hope. And yeah, hopefully you're well. Yeah. So I think I just about got it on this soap already. Oh my goodness. I think that's just about it. I do. That is always good. Now you can have this whole set on the cheap. If you can find it on sale, you can end up getting it like $8 for everything. I think normally it's like $10 or something like that here in the States. And you can find it at grocery store, pharmacy, that kind of thing. So if you want to get started on the cheap, this is a good way to do it because you get the bowl, you get the soap, and you get the brush. Yep. And in my opinion, you can't beat that because it's a natural hair Boar brush. It's decent soap that really works quite well. It's got aloe vera and shea butter, 40% moisturizer stuff in it. It's just amazing. It really is. And you can get it cheap enough. I mean, can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with that. So if you're looking to get started on the cheap with a soap, a bowl, and a brush, Premium Hagen set is going to be the one for you. Here we go. Let's get that lathered up. I think we got a nice load on that brush. Now, it isn't the biggest brush in the world, but that's okay. It definitely will give you something to get started with and to learn. Learn how to build a lather the old-fashioned way. This is good. So we're just going to go ahead and do a face lather like normal. Yeah, hopefully your shaves have been doing well. Yeah, And you've been getting some good shaves. Oh yeah, nice. We're gonna put a little more water in that. Yeah. Weekend's right around the corner. Looking forward to that. Yep. I did kind of mess up my shoulder this last weekend, but it's doing much better today. So that's good. Yeah, oh nice. Nice, nice, nice. There you go. That's gonna do it. Yep. Get those hands cleaned off. Try to get them dried off too. There we go. All right. This is pass one. And for me, primarily, that's gonna be with the grain. Let's do this. Yeah, the shoulder is still sore though. We'll see if we can't have an uneventful shave. Just get those whiskers off. That'll be good. There's that mole. Gotta find those speed bumps. And got another video coming this Friday. Okay, another good question that was asked, and I get asked this all the time, so I'm going to answer it. And just stay tuned and you'll find out what it's all about. There we go. Yeah, I got some whiskers too. Yeah, it's been a minute since I shaved. But check that out. Nice. That's the way it's done right there. That's a good straight razor. It really is. Now we're going to switch hands and get this other side. Are we? Again, I keep rushing, and I'm assuming it's just because I'm still overtired, but let's go ahead, finish this off. All right. There we go. Now we can move on. Yeah. Yeah, so I have not been sleeping as well as I would like to. That shoulder been giving me some grief. Yeah, so it's been hard to find a comfortable position. But like I say, I'm on the mend, feeling a lot better. And I may have another experiment just because of that coming up in the future as well. We'll see about that. Something another subscriber had asked me to do a while back that I have not gotten to yet, but maybe I should. Maybe I should go ahead and get to it and see how it turns out. There we go. Pass one complete. And it felt good. It did. Sure feels good to have those whiskers off. Let's see how we did. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, that's good. Yep, doing all right. Now, let's go ahead and get our lather on. Yep. Yeah, hopefully your work is good if you work. Yeah. And if not, that's even better. Mm-hmm. And are you working from home? Let me know down in the comments. Are you working from home, or did you go back to work? That would be interesting to know. I know where I work, pretty much everybody's back now. So that's good and bad, but we're gonna take it mainly as good. Yeah. All right, it is time for the half pass. Now, for me, primarily, that is going to be against the grain. Let's do this. Now, that is the problem. I can't stretch any further down than that right there. Normally I grab that jawline, stretch further down my neck. So that's not happening. Now, we are going to switch hands though, get the other side. This arm works fine. And I think that left shoulder that's bothering me is not a problem on this side. Yeah, that left shoulder, tough stuff. There we go. Now, get that cleaned off. Probably could have waited a minute for that. Stretching just by way I'm holding my mouth and stretching with my offhand. There we go. Halfway there. Nice. That's it. All right, another shave in the books. Yep, very good. And it felt like a good one. It did. And I don't believe there were any bumps harmed in the filming of this shave video. Nice. That is so good. We're still going alum everywhere. This is a stringent antiseptic. Close up those pores, tighten that skin, and if you hit a bump or two, it'll take care of that too. Although, today, I don't think we did, which is nice. There we go. And normally what I will do is just dry that off. And if you can't take alum straight up, go with a cold water rinse if you can get cold water. Follow that with witch hazel. I'm going with the Thayers, and this is the rose petal. It is just marvelous. It is a nice classic scent and can go with many things. It is nice, and I put that everywhere. I do. Next up, we are going with Nivea Cooling Post-Shave Balm. This is going to just do the trick as far as getting that moisture back in the skin where we need it. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. And I will put that pretty much everywhere. That's good. Oh yeah, that is really good. And we're going to follow that with Stetson Cooling Moisturizing Aftershave as my cologne. Yeah, we are. That's going to be good. Get that going. Again, another fantastic scent. And I think this goes with that soap pretty well. Yeah, I do. Nice, 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 nice. All right, click up here to see my latest video. Click over here to see a video specially picked out for you. Click on this one to see if I could only have one this series. Have a great shave and a good day, and I will see you next time on Adventures in Wet Shaving.